In this session, we're going to take a look at how to change some of the view around a little bit on the screen. So as you notice right now, I've got mine going where it's showing my phases going down the left-hand side and my subcontractors going across the top. Up on the toolbar, we talked about returning to summary, takes me back to my summary page, and we've used the add subs and we've added a phase, if I wanted to add any more phases here, but we haven't looked at the view and the budget tier. So that's what we're going to take a look at in this session. So the view is basically just tells it what is going to be sorted down this left-hand side. So right now it says phase. So it's basically letting me see all my different phases. But if I change this to subcontractor, it would actually put my subs going down the left-hand side and the categories that I'm actually checking their bid completeness on going across the top with my totals and discounted prices. So it just kind of changed the orientation of the grid there a little bit, basically to go from, change the X and Y axis of how the data is being presented. So it's really all the exact same information, just a little bit different looking at it. So some people like to, have the bidders going down the side. Some people like to see it going across the top. So that way it's just very easy to come back and change that from one to the other, depending on what your preference is. The other setting here is for for where the budget's going to be. So the budget by default shows up right next to the name here, which in a lot of cases is maybe nice when you first start getting a couple values in here. But in most cases, the budget's worthless once you start getting subcontractors in here. So that's where this is just kind of a nice little feature, because that way you can say last and it'll just throw your budget way at the far right-hand side, so it can keep the most important numbers, farther to or closer to your descriptions and so forth. So that's pretty much what this section is really just about changing how the view is and changing how the budget is to have a little bit more control over what your bid packages look like.